Hi everyone, Jeff Santos with this week's Viewpoint on Video. You know, one of the things we really prize and appreciate about our industry is how tightly knit we are and how we help each other grow and nurture, and we're sort of 2 degrees of separation from each other. One of the ways that's expressed and achieved is through mentoring, whether it's formal or informal, and I'd like to talk about that today. It's clear that many of the major suppliers and hospital groups have formal mentoring programs. And so do a lot of the organizations that we're familiar with, such as AVMA, NAVTA, VIN, Morris Animal Foundation, AHA, and one that I'm particularly proud to be a mentor for, which is Wilma. Apologies if I missed somebody here in this brief discussion. But we certainly understand that mentoring helps individuals grow and helps make a return on investment for the team and the organization. What's more, we find out that it's also really good for the participants. Those who have a mentor are 5 times more likely to get promoted than those who don't. And those who are mentors are 6 times more likely to get promoted than those who aren't. And in fact, what's interesting about that is 97% of us believe that having a mentor or being a mentor is important, but only 1 in 3 of us actually achieve that. So there's this gap between aspirations and reality. In terms of our colleagues, be aware that millennials are twice as likely to stay with an organization for at least 5 years if they're involved in a mentorship program. So there's a real ROI in terms of that relationship and binding that millennial to the team and keeping them challenged and growing in the long term and rewarded as well. What's interesting is only 1/4 of them actually feel like their skills are being used to the utmost. So again, as you're mentoring that person, you can draw out skill sets and opportunities for them and aspirations that they may have that are not being addressed. And again, that helps them, helps you, and certainly helps the organization as we move forward. So let's consider mentoring programs as we move along here. It typifies and makes our industry rather special and gives us not only rewards to the individuals involved, but also to the team and the organization. Thanks for watching this. For those of you who are interested in this week's question and the answers to last week's question, the results of last week's, just continue on reading the written newsletter itself. Look forward to seeing you soon.